How to change country or region on Samsung phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can change our country or region in our Samsung phone. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're on a Samsung phone and you want to change the country or region of that particular device, these are the processes you may follow. First of all, you may just head over to one of the browser onto your device, and after that you're just gonna go on to the website called account.samsung.com. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you need to enter your Samsung account login details. After that, login or sign it into your account, or if you don't have an account, just tap on create account. So since I already have an account, I'm just gonna tap on the sign in and enter my login credentials and enter into my Samsung account this website. And you have successfully after you have successfully logged in into this website, you're just gonna head over to the section called profile here. After that, scroll down a bit until you're able to see this option called country or region here. So just tap on this option called country or region, or you can find this option called edit personal information. Just head over there, and when you scroll down a bit, you'll be finding this option called country or region. When you tap on it, you'll be getting an option of choosing different countries here. So just select one of the country that you want to change it into. After that, tap on change, and the changes should be applied into your account or your device. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to change your country or your region on your Samsung device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.